So I'm gonna go and look at a meeting that I had with Jojo Lauricia. Okay, so what happened is Jojo scheduled a meeting with me, and Fathom is attached to your Zoom links. So anytime you pull up a Zoom meeting, Fathom is gonna be available. All right, Fathom is the only one that I know of that's directly integrated with HubSpot right now. This is the main benefit for this particular note taker. Not endorsing this because I get paid for it. She's a contact in my database. Then I'm gonna go to the meeting that we held. I'm gonna click on meetings, and then I'm gonna look at the summary that popped in on this contact in my database. The first thing, it summarizes with AI the topics that we covered, not the actual transcript. So it reads what we went over and then summarizes it for you. That's what's embedded here. Okay, so these are all the notes summarized from the meeting. It drops the actual recording on your contact record, and it gives you access to the live video that's recorded here. So when you scroll through here, you can pull out minutes from it, and I can jump to any area that I am interested in looking at. Okay, so top down is how I'm working. Second, it transcripts it. Now,